Sanbona, welcome to my channel. It is winter, you guys, so most of the time I'm probably going to be your auntie here. Besides, my hair is also not done. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So listen, you guys. Yesterday we got the first episode of season 1 of Umnakwethu. And I was like, Aibo, is this really the premiere? I even went and checked, what is this really episode 1, or did I miss the real episode 1? I was like, it cannot be the premiere of Umnakwethu, this one, because you know what, ne? When they do Umnakwethu, usually the first episode is the episode with the bang. Okay, the one with the most drama, the one like the best episode. They put the best episode in episode 1 because they just want everybody to start talking about it, and even people that were not aware that the show is back, they will be aware, and then they will start watching the show, and then they also end with a bang. So they choose the best 2 episodes, and then one they premiere with it, and then the other one it's a finale episode. So honestly, you guys, I was like, they must be running out of stories to do. Maybe men are no longer writing to this ridiculous show, because what the hell was that? I feel like Mseligo is too old to be trying to help these kids that are not even serious about life. I feel like Mseligo should be helping like real family men that want polygamy. Do I support this whole polygamy situation? No. But I do know that for other people, that's how they want to live. But let's do it right. Let's do it in such a way that iba nesithunzi ishow. And ay man, those kids that were on that episode, I just don't understand. Okay, I don't understand. It's just like I don't know, guys. It took away. Well, lasho dignity ngako, but kona loko kuncane binako. This episode took it away, and Mseligo is just too old to do. I even we were talking with my husband, sibuka ishow ukuthi kusho ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu that should be doing the show now is Mpumelelo, because basically le episode nje iwumsangano like isithembu saMpumelelo sometimes, because it's just kids that they don't even know what the hell they're doing, but here they are. Okay, so that's what I didn't like. Nanokuthi, guys, I know people always say I don't like Umseligo. I actually like Umseligo because Umseligo has given us a lot of TV. I might not like the way he does things, but I do think he's a reality TV royalty. Kodwa, guys, there is a discomfort with watching Umseligo because there's certain things like this thing that we know never used to be there. We know that there is a thing, I don't know, guys, in Desale after he had a stroke. So you kind of feel like you are watching a man working while he has not fully recovered from the sickness that he had. And it feels like Mseligo is already like an executive producer, the mogul. Why can't he get someone else to present the show? You know, maybe Pumulelo can do the show. I don't know, guys. I feel like he's not 100% well, and also the fact that he's doing younger and younger and younger people on this show, imehlisa isithunzi ubaba Mseligo. So yes, you guys. So basically, Siyanda Mhlungu, okay. I think bonke bathe like they are like 20, 24, 25. The oldest must have been 24. Was between him and his wives. The wives are even younger. They're also not just young, they look young. So now he has a girlfriend, okay? And he wants to take his team. He says he is a taxi owner, which I was like, taxi owner? What kind of taxi are you owning, sir? Okay. Because in one of the scenes, he looked like he even forgot to wear his belt, but maybe his style. And he says he's a taxi owner. I'm like, and then he has umakoti ingodu, so basically walobola, and umakoti has tried to have kids, I think like 3 times, and the pregnancy don't make it to full term. We know someone else who has that issue with some of his wives, but yes, namhlanje ne. Now He says that he wants to take his temp. Now, you guys, when they asking him about this girlfriend that he has, he says, I love her because she is a slender and she is a yellow bone. Mseleko is there to help kids get second wives that love the person because the person is a slender and the person is a yellow bone. And when we finally meet his wife is beautiful, but also she's young. Guys, okay, guys, I know I'm reviewing Umnagwetune, but let me speak to the young people. Guys, there is no smanga in marriage. Asikho isimanga la emshadweni, guys, except ukuthi now you are just going to have somebody that is going to be like, ish ngilambile. And kunokudla efrijini, kunokudla okuphekiwe, kunokudla emakhabetheni, kunokudla ema-supermarket, kunokudla ema-restaurant. But uthi uma ethi ulambile, kusho ukuthi lokho wuwe efanele usukume wenza ukudla. Asikho isimanga in marriage. Now you just have somebody that says, hey, mina ngiwabona amavesti ami, but uwawashile amavesti, wawabeka, but same place la ubeka khona, but athi mina ngibona ivesti, or athi mina ngibona isokisi. Guys, don't... have I not told you ukuthi asikho isimanga? Yimi engangena emshadweni just so because I knew these people were not telling us the truth. I even said to my sisters, and I was like, you guys, I'm the last one. All three of you, in fact, I need to have a meeting with them and tell them, all three of you had been married. You did not tell me. So mina, I got inside part to tell you guys what asikho isimanga laphayana. Hambani niyofunda, qalani ama-business, whatever, but asikho isimanga laphayana emshadweni. But anyways, okay, let's get back to Uthando Nesithembu. Not Uthando Nesithembu, umnakwethu. Now, so you guys will be seeing the picture. So you see, when I say young, okay. Now, okay, so he wants to take a second wife, but Mseleko always asks the reason for wanting to take a second wife. He says that his wife cannot have kids. And then Mseleko probes some more, and he ends up saying his wife had fallen pregnant 3 times. The pregnancy didn't make it because Mseleko is like, how do you know that she's the one with the problem? How do you know that she's the one that is a problem? He says, this is his answer, but my wife has fallen pregnant 3 times and the pregnancies didn't make it. So that means the problem is not with her because she can fall pregnant. The problem is with both of you. The problem you have is both of y'all's problems because obviously you can make her pregnant and she can fall pregnant. It's just that the pregnancy don't make it to full time. So how do you decide which that is her problem? Listen, you guys, that's why I never buy a new TV because I do know that at some point I will need to buy a new TV after breaking it while watching Umnakwethu. Anyway, if you have 2 TVs and you haven't watched this episode, don't watch it on your favorite TV. Go and watch it on the smaller TV in the bedroom if you have one. Because your big TV you cannot risk it with your big TV. You know. So watch it, go somewhere. If you have a smaller TV in the kitchen, go watch it there. So that should you break it, you know what it's not the main one. Then you guys, we met the wife. Sweet little girl. I was like, you know what? Maybe this is the best thing to happen to this girl at this point. Because uzobona ukuthi ayikho lento leyo la mfana. And guys, the husband is not even a local or anything. No. And also when he talks about ilobola, it's like the wife was pregnant and wahamba wayovela. I'm like, uhlawulile nomlobolile because at this point, I understand kahle. The nice thing about this episode is that the wife showed up. Well, we say the wife, guys, but didn't go to Sonja. Showed up with her brother, honey. He made me think of my brother because that brother don't play about his sister. He showed when they show up Mseleko with the husband to talk to the wife. The wife is there with her brother. I think her brother suspected something's going on here. So are we happy? For what? I'm coming with you. So she gets, she's there, her brother is sitting down, and then Mseleko asks the brother to leave because they need to talk to the wife alone. And then the brother's like, no, I'm actually her guardian, so I'm not going to leave her here. Whatever you need to talk to her about, I'm here. I'm like, I love the brother. And Mseleko is like, are you sure you want? He's like, yes, whatever you need to say to her, say what I'm here. Hmm. So they have to start talking about taking a second wife, and the brother's like, what the hell? Listen, the brother walks with crutches. And I was trying to figure out, is it because he's injured or he has a disability? And it did look like he might have a disability. I was like, I was looking at those crutches like, vele nje umgqima ingozi ekhanda ngale. Thatha induku lo mgqima ingozi ekhanda. Because how are you going to play with my sister? So eventually the brother, because Mseleko was putting a pressure on when he wanted this man to say what the reason is he's taking a second wife, he wouldn't say because he is scared of his brother. I think the brother has actually hit him with that crutch before. So he keeps looking at it like he's scared to talk. So Mseleko ends up convincing the brother to leave the room. The brother's like, yeah. He goes to the other room to also listen that the other wife is listening to the conversation. Then when they ask the wife is like, Aibo, happy. Which vele is the thing, happy because they are young. Even if, they've tried 3 times to have a baby and it was not successful. And God might even know what he's doing with that because ayikho leyanto leyana. Athi ujaheni. Nanokuthi, why bring me here? Why don't you just talk to me at home? Because I would have told you, because no, there's no rush to do that. And Nonkosikazi ngempela, she believes, I want that girl to find someone else and immediately have a baby because she also believes that it's her problem that they're not having kids. I'm like, girl, it's not your problem. It's both your problem, okay? Anyways, because Mseleko asked her, she said, yeah, I can't have kids. I've tried and it doesn't. I think sonke in general, we need to be educated when it comes to fertility issues. Because is it a fertility issue when a person can fall pregnant, but sometimes just the baby don't make it to full term, or they have stillborns? Because that can happen for so many reasons. I feel like even myself sometimes I need some education on that. Anyways, you guys, the wife walks away, I think. And of course, make me think of my daughter. I was like, ngathi ngiyabona ubaba uMseleko ezocela my daughter, who I can't even imagine having a boyfriend at this point, even though she is turning 22. Anyways, you guys, I ain't ready for any of that. Anyways, and then she walks away to the bathroom. I think she just was feeling overwhelmed because at this point her brother was no longer with her. She goes to the bathroom. Umseleko begs her to come back, and she just wanted the episode to end. At some point she decides she's leaving. Her brother was like, this is ridiculous. Why bring my sister here? This is very disrespectful. And I'm sure when they're leaving, she's going to say, listen, let me know if you need me back because this is ridiculous. Okay. Anyways, you guys, I loved the brother. Okay. It reminds me of my brother. My brother were people for me. And my brother is very like sweet and good hearted, but people don't know that he would for his sisters. Anyways, you guys, yeah. The highlight for me in this episode was the brother. He was like, nonsense. Nonsense, ridiculous. Not on my watch, honey, not on my watch. But guys, listen, Mseleko is too old to be doing those things. If he's going to do it, he must do it with, like, oh, Baba. I feel like he must, because when the show is ridiculous, let's just add Mpumelelo to the ridiculousness. Hand that show to Mpumelelo to present, because what they had is this, you being an old man trying to convince these kids. What the hell? Anyways, you guys, good night.